Can a gaming mousepad really improve your FPS aim? This is a simple and fast review of the Llano XL glass gaming mousepad for esports. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, it is large, so I'll try my best to do this. Won't be able to get it fully on screen here, just because it's so big. So it comes with a nice little package here that has its name and everything. And then inside of that, you'll have a cleaning cloth. And then the actual, and it's gigantic, which is what makes it great. It's well protected, great padding. As you can tell. Great. Let's see, logo and everything. Great feel to it on the back. It's got rubberized little triangle feet. So we'll go ahead and show you what it looks like in place, test it out, and take it from there. So I just want to kind of give you an idea on feel. First of all, leaves no mark, so it's great. Just using kind of a standardized mouse. But I do want to point out the sound. So you will hear it as you're moving around. I don't know if that'll affect your gameplay or not. A lot of people these days have headphones in when they're gaming and stuff like that, so it may not affect you completely, but I did want to point out that size-wise it's amazing, and you can see it compared to a regular mouse, and just a really nice look and feel. So great upgrade to your gaming performance, and definitely worth buying. So hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.